The search capability in SharePoint is context specific and it's also permission specific. So what that means is that if I'm in the SharePoint homepage, SharePoint site directory, I do a search here. It says search in SharePoint. That means it's going to search the entire SharePoint repository of sites. If I'm in a particular site, I can search that particular site, the content, pages, documents, whatever in here. And if I'm in a, let's say a library, in here it says search this library. So very specific, very context specific to where you are. Another really good thing is that if I don't have access to some content, that content will not show up in my search. So it's very permission specific as well. Yeah. Same thing goes for any of this context here, wherever I am. It's all permission specific search. Let's conduct a search. We're going to go to SharePoint homepage. Here I'll type in conference, do a search, see what happens. Now here everything is being searched, sites, documents, images, etc. Then you have this stuff segmented out. So if I want to only see files, I click on this, only see sites, click on this over here, people, news, images, so forth. Here I can use refiners to say, for example, only show me photos, apply. So here are the specific photos. I can even show me within the past 24 hours or past week, etc., or certain date. So I have these refiners, and there might even be more in your environment that I could use to really scope into the exact thing that I'm searching for. One of the really cool things is when you go to people and you see these people who must have had something to do at conference here, you click on them and you can see a lot of information about those people. So overview, contact, organization, if they're related to you in some way, it's going to show up here. Also, any files that you have access to, see their files, and even their access to LinkedIn, their LinkedIn profile directly from here. So a lot of good stuff that's available directly in search. So once again, your search mechanism might differ a little bit, but overall you can search throughout SharePoint, search throughout a site, search throughout a particular list or library, and then everything that you search for is going to be permission sensitive.